Hey everyone, welcome back. So here in this video we are going to talk about how we can develop a PR specific pipeline using Bitbucket. That means we are raising a PR either from a developer to master, QA to master, or UAT to master, then only run a specific pipeline. So how we can do that is, as part of our previous demo we use branches. Here we are going to use pull request, and then again everything is same. Which environment we wanted to have that for the development, what are the various steps, and similarly this is going to be the same for all the environments and the credentials will be different. So let's see how we can do that. So what we will do is we are going to make the changes into the, this is our project, and we are going to make the changes into the development branch. This is the pipeline. Go ahead, open and edit this pipeline so that we can make the changes. So for here, if you see, we have got the branches. Now what we are going to do is we are going to have the pull request changes as well over here. So for the pull request, we are only going to have inside our master branch. You can also have like developer branch where the pull requests are coming from the feature branches. That is again a good example. So you can have these. So this is for pull request, run step from a PR. This is in development branch, and this is for the master branch. Every single thing is same. If you wanted to have some sort of conditions, you can also go ahead and put the condition before running a step. You say if the changes are made to the certain path or to the certain kind of files, then only run the changes. You can also have a kind of things like you have got some sort of package.xml, so you can say that src, and there you say package *xml. So whatever the pattern is going to match, it is going to trigger the pull and trigger this whenever there is any pull request. And then you can, if you want, you can remove this, or if you want, you can just have a different conditions over there. For now I'm going to have both the branches and the pull request, and then let's quickly go ahead and commit it. As soon as we will commit the changes, and if we get back to our pipelines, refresh this, we will be seeing that there is a pipeline which is invoked due to the commit inside our development branch. And you see that the pipeline is only running the branch specific pipeline. There is nothing related to the pull request because we haven't raised any pull request. Now if we get back to our pull request, from here itself let's go to the pull request. Now what scenario here we are trying to achieve is, we are raising a pull request from the lower branch to the top environment or to the top branch, and as soon as we are raising a pull request or we are closing a pull request, we wanted that pipeline should be triggered. So that is what we said. Every time we raise a PR from a developer to master, we wanted a specific pipeline to run. So let's quickly go there, create a pull request. We have made the changes into the pipelines file. So far there is no filter for pipeline at all. In the coming videos we will see how we can filter only to fetch the metadata which is related to Salesforce. We will get back to our pipelines to make sure that, to see if there are the pipelines are running for the master branch or any branches. So we'll get back here. So you say here it is running, in which branch it is running. If we'll get back here, we will be seeing that this is running on due to a pull request. You see here this is a pull request, and where it is running, if you go there, run from this is in the development branch. It's not because of that, because we have committed the changes to the development branch, and there is something related to pull request because we have raised a PR to master. Now if we get back to pipeline, we see that the master branch is still not running. Let's go ahead, approve this, and then we can merge. Our pull request is merged. Get back to your pipeline, you will see that master branch is being run now this time. And if you see here, these are running. What branches are running? These are running due to the changes into the master environment. The PR is not running still. The reason is, if you remember, there is a spelling mistake on the branch. For the master, it's not actually master, it's master. That is why if we get back to our files, our source files, we will be able to see that we need to make the changes for that master. So instead of master, go to the development, make the changes into the YML file for the mistakes. This is my mistake. You might be using the correct format, so you don't need to worry about that. But yeah, if you are using my files, make sure that you are making the changes as per your branch naming convention. We'll again do the same thing for having the pull request and all. I have created and merged the pull request. We will get back to our pull request here. You see here we've got one more pull request which is running on master branch. Basically this is our master branch. If we get back here, we should be able to see this is running on the master branch, and there should be one more pipeline which should be running as a part of pull request. So there is we are not able to see that pipeline as a part of pull request. Okay, there is something error. If you see here, update your current plant or purchase more. Okay, so basically this is error. There is some error because of our previous plan that we have. Upgrade your current plant or purchase more build minutes 10 minutes 10 to continue. Okay, so basically this is due to the error which we are having, and that is why we are not able to see that. But if you use this pipeline, I have already tested it for the different projects. So if you use this syntax, which is pull request, whatever your branch name is and what are your condition and everything is there, so then it is going to work for you. So basically this is it, and thank you for your time. And in the next video we will actually implement the pipeline which is going to have SFDX. So that is why we have talked about all these things like branch specific, PR specific, having the multiple environments, so that we can collect everything and put inside our SFDX pipeline. So we'll see you into the next video. Thank you.